So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a card to Google Wallet. Now starting off, if you're using an iOS device, you should know that using Google Wallet is mainly restricted to you using it through the web browser, but it really does function the same as it would if you had the app. So let's open up this. So you need to go to wallet.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once that's completed, you can click on Add to Wallet. That's going to appear either in the top left corner, so you can see some payment methods that you can have. You can click on here in order to add a card. So once you've clicked on that specific payment method, you should choose to select a payment card and tap New Credit or Debit Card to set it up. So through here, you can also go to your specific payment methods and add a new one. It's going to pop up like that, but it's going to be really similar to your native wallet app that's used by Apple Wallet. So once you've added that payment method, it's going to be asked about your card information, then you can add it on there, and then let's switch to home. It's going to appear on here as a specific card that you can use to pay, or you can click on it, get some information about that card, and from that point you don't have to worry about using your physical card. It's going to be much more convenient to just use this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.